Hello, my name is Bethany Smith and today I will be reviewing the Ducky race for Subtraction. As you can see, it is aimed at younger children. If you go on the website Maths Playground, it is under first grade and second grade. You can see these at the top here. If we press play on the Ducky race, it sends us to picking a name. So I will call mine Bethany, and then you have to join a public game. And then it starts. As you can see, it's a little race. A little bit of competition is really good. Kind of makes the kids try a little bit harder or want to outdo their last scores. So that's really good. You just gotta kind of do your best and hope for the best. It teaches kids how to do like basic maths, which is really good for them. As I said earlier, grades 1 and 2. So it's really good just kind of start them out on the basics at this age. So 11 minutes 5. If you get it wrong, it does also slow you down, so that's really good. So that teaches kids, when you get it wrong, put back a little bit, get it right, and you can go forward. And then when you pass, it has a big clap. It says that you're the winner. Then you just wait for everybody else to pass. It's really, really fun. And then you can see that we came first on this one. And you can see it took 56.79 seconds with an accuracy over here of 100 and a rate of 22 questions per minute. So it's really fun, really good if you would get the kids to play it. If you wanted to check it out yourself, it's on Maths Playground. It's a really good website and you can see different games for the different grades. So it's really good and you should really go and have a look. I hope you've enjoyed this video and see you next time.